ओम श्री सतनाम साखी, Jai Sri Krishna. Satsang Varkha, Part 1, Discourse 6. Guru Maharaj Ji said, there was a king who used to attack the neighboring country repeatedly. He attacked several times only to be defeated. Then one day, the king of that neighboring country got angry and said, this man is needlessly destroying his army and people and is also making his country poor. If he attacks again, I will go into the battlefield myself to end this. Inevitably, the same king attacked again, and the king himself got ready to fight. Before going into the battle, the king called his ministers, informed them of the situation and of his decision to go into the battlefield himself to put an end to this. The king said, let me assign your duties before I leave. The ministers replied, we are ready to carry out your orders, O king. The king said, firstly, keep sending food items and weapons in full numbers for the army, so there is no hindrance in the battle. And secondly, for as many days as the battle goes on, keep providing the best meals to all the saints and Brahmins of the city. After assigning these duties, the king left for the battlefield. The ministers thought, food and weapons for the army is understandable. But why do these saints and Brahmins get the best meals every day? But they could not protest in front of the king. According to the king's orders, the best buffets were organized for the saints and Brahmins of the city every day. Seeing the charitable spirit of the king, the saints were very pleased. When the saints were all done eating, before getting up from their rows, they used to chant loudly, Hail the king! Victory to the king! Hail to the one who feeds us! Thus, the saints and Brahmins sang glories of the king every day after the meals. On the other hand, the king eventually came back to his country after winning the battle. On receiving the news of the king's victory, celebrations were held all over the country. The whole city was decorated. People danced and sang the whole night. The king was given a warm welcome. In the morning, the king called a meeting of his ministers. The ministers said, everything was peaceful here. Weapons and food for the army were sent in abundance according to your orders, and by God's grace, you have won the battle. Then the ministers said, O king, could we ask you one thing? The king said, go ahead. The ministers said, Maharaj, according to your order, we fed the Brahmins and saints with love and respect every day. But there is a doubt that the soldiers who sacrificed so much for the country were given plain food, and these saints who did not participate in the battle got delicious meals. Why is that? The king replied, don't say that. The blessings of these saints are enough. Tell me, when they used to come for the meals, did they say anything? The ministers said, yes, before getting up from their rows, once they were done, they used to chant loudly, glory to the king, victory to the king, hail to the one who feeds. The king said ecstatically, yes, they used to say this. I was hoping for this blessing, because the power which is in the blessings of saints is not in any sword, gun or bomb. No other power works before the blessings of the saints. What these saints speak turns into reality. It is because of these blessings that I have won this battle. Understanding the secret of the king, the ministers bowed down with respect. They said, O king, you are blessed. Guru Maharaj Ji said, all you devotees understand this. There is a great power in the blessings of saints. Therefore, if you also get the blessings of the saints, the blessings of God, the blessings of scriptures, then no one will be able to defeat you. बोलिए सतगुरुदेव भगवान की जय।